come to brunch with me and my bestie. So here is brunch. We have brunch at the Galleria. So here's the Galleria, Cheesecake Factory. Yay! So this is the Galleria, one of the largest malls ever. So this is a skating rink. It's very pretty and Christmas time. So here we are at the Cheesecake Factory. Yum, yum, yum. Had a Sunday Funday drink, and this is the appetizer. Yummy. This is what my best friend had here, the jambalaya scrambled. This is what I had, the chicken ricotta. There's my bestie right there. Been best friends since college. More cheesecake. Just taking y'all. It was great conversation, great food. Highly recommend always getting out on the Sunday. There she is again. There's my bestie. We love to travel, so we definitely need to do a girls trip. But again, follow me online at www.TJinspires.com.
It's really good. It really does. The icing really melts in your mouth, and it really does give you the whole red velvet experience. It tastes just like a red velvet cake, honestly, but it's just that the icing is just in the middle. But it's really good though. Passing somewhere, some tree. She was like, "Oh man, that tree is so beautiful," and something. And she was like, she said, "This him. You say that about every tree." She looked at him. She was like, "You gotta go." I said, "Based off of a tree," but I guess the bigger meaning was that if they don't say positive things or have joy in the stuff that you do, they're not the one for you, something like that.
Yeah.
Which I can understand. I get the meaning of it, you know. But at first I was like, maybe, I don't know, maybe the man was